This is my Oma's famous chocolate meringue pie. It is absolutely decadent, delicious, and you should totally try it at home for this Thanksgiving. What you will need for this: a whisk, a stainless steel or, non-plastic bottom, a electric handheld mixer or a KitchenAid will work great too, with some beaters like this for the meringue. We're gonna be mixing cornstarch, sugar, cocoa, salt, and milk into a pan that is off. Sugar, 1 cup. Cocoa, a generous 1/3 cup. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna mix our dry ingredients. Now I'll be adding 2 cups of milk and stirring as I add. Our temperature is not on at all. Essentially what we are making right now is a chocolate pudding. Now I'm going to turn on the heat to medium-high heat. We will patiently stir this mixture until it becomes thickened, like a pudding consistency. It has thickened up enough to where you can feel it, you can tell it's more pudding-like. Now we need to temper our eggs. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit, and I might even scoot it off. I'm going to temper 3 egg yolks, and how you do that is you just take some of the mixture and you stir it in with the eggs, and then you dump all of that back into the pie and you stir again. So this is called tempering the eggs, and now the eggs should not scramble within the pie. This is a very important step to have a smooth consistency. So now we are going to remain on heat, on medium heat, and we want to cook the eggs in this and stir it for 2 minutes. You want it to be very bubbly. So I'm gonna even set a timer for 2 minutes so that we make sure these eggs get cooked and combined. At this point, I'm gonna add a tablespoon or a teaspoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of butter. This is gonna make it really silky and delicious. Now I'm going to whip up the egg whites. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar and some sugar on the side. I'm going to be gradually adding like a little bit of sugar each time as these egg whites are being made. Okay, so sorry my battery died, but I've been checking to see how the meringue is doing, and it's starting to get golden, and so I'm gonna take it out really soon. But you kind of just have to keep watching it to see the darker peak. I love it. It looks so good. So with the meringue, you want to make it where it gets stiff peaks, and then whenever you scoop it all on top, you just like kind of make some mountains and valleys with your spoon, and then you bake it until it gets golden brown like this, and that's how the egg whites get cooked. So now I'm just gonna let this sit and cool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it in a container and store it in the refrigerator until you are ready to serve it. It should stay in the fridge. But this is my Oma's famous chocolate meringue pie. It is absolutely decadent, delicious, and you should totally try it at home for this Thanksgiving.